Students, hope you all are fine. In the previous class we discussed some problems in addition of vectors. Today we shall discuss some more problems in addition of vectors. Before going to this, I want you to write these notes. Based on these notes we are going to solve the problems. The vector equation of line passing through A bar and parallel to B bar is given by R bar is equal to A bar plus CB bar. I repeat, the vector equation of line passing through A bar and parallel to B bar is given by R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar. The vector equation of line joining 2 points A bar and B bar is given by R bar is equal to 1 minus T A bar plus TB bar. The vector equation of the plane passing through points A bar, B bar, C bar is 1 minus S minus T A bar plus SB bar plus TC bar. Based on this, we are going to solve the problems. Let us take the first problem. Find the vector equation of line passing through point 2i plus 3j plus k and parallel to vector 4i minus 2j plus 3k. So here the first problem, we have to find vector equation of the line passing through point 2i plus 3j plus k and parallel to 4i minus 2j plus 3k. Okay, the vector equation of line passing through A bar and parallel to B bar is given by R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar. That is, R bar is equal to, what is A bar? 2i plus 3j plus k plus t into B bar 4i minus 2j plus 3k. Multiply these two. Take 2i plus 3j plus k plus t4i or 4ti minus 2tj plus 3tk. This can be written as 2 plus 4i into I plus 3 minus 2t into j plus 1 plus 3t into k. So this is what is the equation of the line passing through A and parallel to B bar. Next one, find the vector equation of the line of the line joining points 2i plus j plus 3k and minus 4i plus 3j minus k. Vector equation of line passing through A bar and B bar is given by R bar is equal to 1 minus T A bar plus T B bar. So this is R bar is equal to 1 minus T. What is A bar? A bar is the first vector, that is 2i plus j plus 3k plus T into second vector minus 4i plus 3j minus k. Let us open this. So what do you get on opening? 2i plus j plus 3k minus 2ti minus tj minus 3tk minus 4ti plus 3tj minus tk. Now, take I common, you have 2 minus 2t minus 4t plus j common, 1 minus t plus 3t, k common, 3 minus 3t minus t. So that is nothing but I into 2 minus 6t plus j into 1 plus 2t plus k into 3 minus 4t. This is the vector equation of the line passing through two given points. Note down this, we shall discuss the next problem. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through points find the vector equation of plane passing through points I minus 2j plus 5k minus 5i minus 5j minus k and minus 3i plus 5j. Now, solution: A bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 5k, B bar is equal to minus 5j minus k, C bar is equal to minus 3i plus 5j. The vector equation of plane is R bar is equal to 1 minus S minus T A bar plus SB bar plus PC bar. So that is nothing but 1 minus S minus T A bar I minus 2j plus 5k is A bar, B bar S into minus 5j minus k plus T bar plus T into minus 3i plus 5j, where S comma T belongs to R. S and T are any real numbers. So this is the equation of the plane passing through points A, B and C. The equation is 1 minus S minus T A bar plus SB bar plus TC bar. 1 minus S minus T A bar is first one, B bar is second one, C bar is the third one. Okay, that's about this. Let us discuss one more problem. Let us discuss the next problem. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through points 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 2, 0, 1. The vector equation of plane passing through A bar, B bar, C bar is R bar is equal to 1 minus S minus T A bar plus SB bar plus TC bar. So that is R bar is equal to 1 minus S minus T 0 bar plus S into I phi j plus T into 2I plus K. How are we writing phi j and 2I? This is 0 bar, so R bar is equal to, this becomes 0. So phi S j bar 2I plus K into T. J bar 2I plus K, 2I bar plus Ki bar into T bar. How we are writing this is, in the first vector, in the first point, all are zeros. So I into 0, j into 0, k into 0. So this will, entire thing will be 0. Here it is 0 plus phi I, 0 into I, phi into j plus 0 into k. So you get phi into j. Here 2 into I plus 0j plus k. So you get only k here. So the equation becomes R bar is equal to 1 minus S minus T 0 bar plus S into phi j plus T into 2I plus k. That can be written as R bar is equal to 5 into S j bar plus 2I plus k into T. That is what is the equation of the plane. Let us discuss another problem. if A, B, C are position vectors of vertices A, B, C respectively, of triangle ABC. Find the vector equation of median. Find the vector equation of median through A. So you are given a triangle. The triangle is ABC. Let us suppose D as the midpoint. You are drawing a line. This is median. D is the midpoint. This is the median. Now, the position vector of D is B bar plus C bar by 2, because this is the midpoint. The position vector of D is B bar plus C bar by 2. Next, the position vector of A is A bar. Now, vector equation of line passing through AD. A bar, A and B is R bar is equal to 1 minus T A bar plus T B bar. So that is nothing but R bar is equal to 1 minus T A bar, you can take it as B bar plus C bar by 2 plus T into A bar. That's about it. You can further write it like this. You can leave it here. 1 minus T A bar plus T B bar. So here for A bar he has taken A bar only. A bar is R bar is equal to 1 minus T. This is A bar only plus T. Position vector of D is half B bar plus C bar by 2. So if you take LCM, R bar is equal to 1 minus T 2A bar plus TB bar plus TC bar by 2. That is nothing but R bar is equal to 2A bar minus 2A T plus TB plus TC by 2. That is nothing but divide with 2, you get A bar plus half into half T into B plus C minus 2A. This is what you get. T by 2 this is. So that's about equation of line, equation of the median. Here equation of line passing through A and D is given by 1 minus T A bar plus TB bar, 1 minus 3 AD you have to find. So A bar vector is A bar only, D vector is half B plus C. So T into half B plus C. Now take LCM. You get 1 minus T 2A bar plus TB bar plus TC bar by 2. This is 2A bar minus 2A bar T plus TB bar plus TC bar by 2. 2A bar by 2. a bar plus t by 2 is equal to b bar plus c bar minus b bar plus c bar minus 2a. So this is what is the vector equation of the line. So that's about today's class, children. We shall continue the next topic in the next class.